see a lot of gray area. He's not worried. Trash a hotel room. They will talk, says Joe.
Look at that jersey down the fight.
916-921-1530, 800-834-1530. I think I'm still at heart an analog man as well. I'm with you, Joe. Let's go to Gold Mine and Pioneer. Gold Mine, how are you?
I'm with him too, brother. I'm with him too.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Light-hearted stuff first.
Yeah.
I want to get some certainty.
Okay.
I sent Kendall something on Facebook. Sasquatch. You asked me to get a picture of Sasquatch playing and okay, well you got one.
Wait a minute. Where is this photo? Where is it?
It's on our Facebook page. You got it.
Okay.
What is called Big Lucky?
Do you have it, Kendall?
Sasquatch. He's playing a saxophone.
Yeah. I'll send it to you.
I was ready to buy into this.
And then
I heard that he's playing a saxophone. Huh?
Hey, lucky
I sent her
tattoo.
another short video of where I'm going to be diving tomorrow in my
Oh, bro, it's one minute.
gold nugget trap.
Wait a second.
Maybe a handful of people have seen that, and since you're such a wussy, you'll never be able to see it. I sent you a picture.
What did you just call me?
Sounded like you said wussy.
Yeah, is that what you said you were?
I did. I just want to make sure you said it right. Kendall said that you were. I just said what?
You said wuss.
You called it wussy. I said I'm around for it. Hey, by the way, I cannot believe. Listen, I was not sold on Bigfoot until Gold Mine not only sends us a picture of Bigfoot playing the saxophone, but also he has video of it out there. I did not buy into Bigfoot until I'm actually seeing him playing the saxophone in the forest. And they're throwing dollar bills in his little cage. That's not bad. Bigfoot for a dude living in the forest is pretty nuts.
Supposed to be straight.
What's that, Gold Mine?
He's got big lungs. You gotta hear him when he screams.
Sure.
Anyway, brother.
Yes.
You know, I'm coming into an inheritance, so I'm going to be stopping at your Roseville Newsmatic
Oh, good.
and talking to them. But I need some advice.
Okay.
We're living in a state that pays other people to come in to have abortions up to the third trimester, and they pay for their visit here anywhere from any other state that doesn't have the laws. And yet they don't want to make it a felony to sell children into sex slaves.
Yeah.